about service to the people and volunteerism. And in this spirit, Baringo Senator, who is also KANU Chairman Gideon Moi, spent his day putting a smile to the faces of many at a time when millions of Kenyans are economically struggling because of the pandemic. KTN's Alan Ochanda is working on that story, but we want to ask you tonight on our big Q, how exactly did you celebrate the day? How exactly did you celebrate Huduma Day? You can tweet us at 22155, that is our SMS line, or you can tweet us at Ashley Mazuri at KTN News KE. The hashtag to use is Weekend Prime. All right, let's now have a sneak peek of what's in store for you tomorrow on the Sunday Standard. The headline is Forgive Me. Healing the nation, President Kenyatta called for unity as country tackles challenges, including those brought by COVID-19 when he led the second of 3 days of national prayers today. That is, he said that he has forgiven those who have wronged him. Also tomorrow on the Sunday Standard, Mau issue getting top-level attention. That is according to Baringo Senator Gideon Moi. Of course, more on that in store for you tomorrow on the Sunday Standard. Now, as we had mentioned earlier, today Kenyans marked Huduma Day, a day previously known as Moi Day, named after the late retired President Daniel Arap Moi. Huduma Day is about service to the people and volunteerism. And in this spirit, Baringo Senator, who is also KANU Chairman Gideon Moi, spent his day putting a smile to the faces of many at a time when millions of Kenyans are economically struggling because of the pandemic. KTN's Alan Ochanda tells us more.
Kenyans marked Huduma Day today, which was previously Moi Day, named after the late retired President Daniel Arap Moi. According to the government, the renaming of Moi Day to Huduma Day was in line with the former President Daniel Arap Moi's desire that the day be commemorated as a day of service and volunteerism. And in keeping with the spirit of the day, Baringo Senator Gideon Moi took time to share food with thousands of Marioshoni and Naisut residents. Senator Moi calling for peace among communities within the Eastern Mau that have clashed over land.
Naomba na ninawasihi tukae kwa amani, tukae kwa umoja. Yale ambayo itakuja katikati yetu tuseme ishi. Ningependa nisifu viongozi wenu ambao Chonjo yuko hapa, Philip yuko wengine, wote Ayabei na wengine wote ambao wako, ambao walifika kwangu huko Kabarak. Na ulifika huko kwangu Kabarak, wakufika ati kwa sababu walikuwa wanajitafutia. Walikuja kwa sababu ya shida yenyu.
Going by the recent developments in the area, Moi assured residents of hope in sight for their decades-long plight, as locals and their leaders insisted justice has to be served.
Imekuwa miaka karibu 20 na kitu wakitabika. Title deed zenye kina ng'ombe wanaongelea ni fake kwa sababu ilikuwa na caveat. Hakuna kitu wangefanyia.
Kuna kesi ambayo ilipelekwa pale Arusha, na kuna maneno ambayo tuliomba na tukashinda. Bwana Senator, najua kama waheshimiwa walikuja wakafungua map, kuna maneno pia waliweza kusema kuhusu sisi kwa sababu hata sisi tulishinda. Najua walikuambia.
The Ministry of Environment had initially listed the vast area as forest land, a decision that saw locals, especially from the Ogiek community, rush to the Human Rights Court in Arusha, Tanzania, in pursuit of justice. The court's pronouncement that the Ogiek had a key role in conservation of the forest and the water tower came as a reprieve, but the delay they thought was denying them justice. Interior CS Fred Matiang'i, however, met their representative 3 weeks ago and assured of the government's commitment to honor the court orders. A special committee has also been formed and is carrying out a thorough audit of the land owners that will inform the much-awaited issuance of title deeds by President Uhuru Kenyatta later this year. Alan Ochanda, KTN News.
Big Q, brought to you by Oriental Global